Let's start designing shoes post. Change background color to light gray. Make a circle with sea green color. Write a text with font rack bold etc. Apply bevel and emboss effect on text dot and make opacity low. Bring main object in center and adjust it. Apply drop shadow on main object. Write a text with font Seago UI. Make a rectangle with stroke and place it above text. Write another text with font rack bold etc. Make a line and place it with text. Bring a logo in PNG and adjust it. Change font of text and apply drop shadow on it. Thank you for watching.